show you how the flower arrangement turned out, and I think it turned out beautiful. Let's get a close-up look at this. And like I said, these flowers came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, only thing that didn't come from the Dollar Tree were these. These came from Pier 1. But yeah, now that says fall. It's really easy, simple, and one thing I like about flower arrangements, because I'm not a professional, you cannot mess it up. I mean, you can just throw in flowers left, right, side to side. I mean, it won't look a mess. You can't mess up a flower arrangement. So yeah, this is it. Go to your Dollar Tree and pick you up some flowers. You don't have to sit there and think, what color should I get? Just grab some and just go from there. And I promise you, it'll turn out perfect. All right, you guys. Now, what I am going to do is use this flower arrangement, and I'm going to decorate my cabinet that's in my living room. Just going to show you how you can style it and stuff like that. So that's what I'm about to do in a few minutes. So please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.